Thermomate AT035-DE is actually a mini electric tankless water heater. It's designed to give you hot water instantly at a specific spot, like a single sink in your kitchen, bathroom, or even a small bar area. Think of it as your personal hot water without a big tank taking up space. Hot water right now. This is the star feature. You turn on the tap and warm to hot water starts flowing almost immediately. No more waiting for water to travel from a faraway main heater, which means less wasted water and less wasted time. Tiny footprint. This thing is compact. It's small enough to tuck away under most sinks or in tight cupboards. If you're short on space, this is a huge plus. Easy to control, it usually comes with a simple touch panel and a digital display, so setting your desired water temperature is pretty straightforward. Built-in safety, these units typically include important safety features to prevent issues like leaks, overheating, or dry firing, giving you some peace of mind.